finally ready and we're in such a rush because we're so late.
Excited!
Rebecca and Dipi!
My name is Jack.
My name is Jack.
I'm an necrophiliac.
I'm a necrophiliac.
Got right petrol station and everyone's running off to pee.
I literally said, these drunk people need to get back inside. I can't say.
We've made it to London. All the coaches or buses are packed up. Journey took 2 hours.
I know, like so much stopping and starting.
We're at Ministry now and I've met some cool people.
Fuck bitches get money.
Dipi found a free hat.
Full hair, like so much better than like blue bits and stuff.
Guys, this is Rebecca. I'm sure you've seen her in the Freshers Fair video.
Yeah.
But I'm going to link Subcultured below. She runs Subcultured magazine. Follow the Instagram, Facebook, everything. So we just bought some food. We're having burgers. But yeah, we're on the coach now and we'll be home soon. We went to our lecture this morning. We also just went and got some food. We got a sausage bat. Library studying right now. It's our first library session. We've been here for about 3 hours.
Of course, the economy is initially
So we finished our lecture now and we're in the Surrey store. And guys, I found Nando's crisps. I never knew this was a thing.
We're basically finished with pre-drinks and we are ready to go.
Outfit is a vodka bottle, which I love.
And
you are
Anonymous. Down it, down it, down it, down it, down it.
I love your outfit. That is amazing. Oh, he got so tight. Choose you. Oh my gosh, this queue is so long.
Anonymous, mate.
Are you?
I have a face.
Look at this guy's outfit.
Hello, Ella's friends.
We finally got it, guys. That queue was absolutely manic. Like,
Everyone kept pushing. We felt. The night out has ended now and we're walking back home. We have to go through the alleyway again, but it's not too bad. Dipi has work tomorrow, which is so sad. We're finally home now. We're gonna go inside, have some food. We did not buy Pizza Man today, which is really good. Yep, that's a wrap for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You spend some time away, but now you need a flow and give me all